Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make text flash in Bambu Studio. So select your model on the build plate, so this one here. Click the text tool icon, or you can press T on your keyboard. Now what we are going to do is we will type our desired text, and now look at the thickness right down here and set it to as low as it possible. So this controls how deep the text embeds into the wall. So let's say 0.8, something like that, and change the text type uh, like so. Change the font right here also, we can do that. Yeah. Now, what we are going to do next is we will check the color. So right here on the left side where you see your text shape, you see also a filament right here. So right now is black, as you can see, but if we click on that, we can select the colors which we have right here in project filament. So we can add it if we have more extra filament. So let's say I have just, and I will put orange right here. Just like that. Now, if we want more that it's like flat on surface, we will need to change here this thickness. So if it's too much out, we can go lower with that number so that we go more into the walls of this object. And after you are finished, you just click slice plate right here at the top right corner. And yeah, this is basically it. It will save your work. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.